Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Lexus ES 350 fan belt. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather your tools, including a new serpentine belt, a 14mm wrench, and a diagram of the belt routing. Locate the serpentine belt on the front of the engine, noting its path around the various pulleys. Safety is key before starting any work. To remove the old belt, you'll likely need to remove the passenger side front wheel and inner fender liner for better access. Locate the belt tensioner, which typically has a 14mm bolt. Place your wrench or socket onto this bolt. Rotate it counterclockwise to release the tension, then insert a 5mm hex key into the designated hole to hold the tensioner in its retracted position. Now, carefully remove the old belt from all pulleys. Installing the new belt requires careful attention to the routing diagram, which is often found under the hood or online. Begin by routing the new belt around all pulleys, making sure it's seated correctly in the grooves. Leave the tensioner pulley for last. Once the belt is mostly in place, rotate the tensioner again, remove the hex key, and slowly release the tensioner to allow it to apply proper tension to the new belt. After installation, double-check that the new belt is perfectly aligned on every single pulley. Start your engine for a moment and listen for any unusual squealing or chirping sounds, which could indicate improper installation or a faulty component. Finally, take your Lexus ES 350 for a short drive, then re-inspect the belt's tension and alignment to ensure everything is operating correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.